testing your patience by seeing if you can watch 1 minute of my animated
Well, here
pilot
we are.
without scrolling.
Where is that monster? I think I see someone ahead. Let's go.
Are you okay, Belia? You seem a bit sad.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks, SNL.
Bilo, you've arrived. Your friends too, that's great.
Of course. How can we help?
This awful monster has come to our town and started attacking our people.
Oh no.
Bilo, show it no mercy. You must kill it. Give it what it deserves.
Well, we will try our best to settle things peacefully. But if we can...
Kill it! That thing is a beast. My people are terrified. You are our only hope.
You can count on us. Now let's move.